Hi, Nick Perdomo from Perdomo Cigars at our major rolling room here in Esteli, Nicaragua. And basically what I want to show you today is the rolling room and how we finish rolling off the cigar. So the first thing the roller is going to do is she's going to wipe her board. We use stainless steel for cleanliness. She's going to stretch that wrapper out, as you see right here. She wants to be able to get the most thinnest part where it has the least amount of veins to roll the cigar. So as you know, she's stretching it. She's going to go from the top and then from the bottom and cut all that heavy veinage out. And she's going to take a little bit of pectin on the top of the cigar, take the actual cigar, run it through a ring gauge meter, and she's going to start, and this is a right-handed wrapper against a right-handed binder, so the cigar's nice and smooth. And she's going to roll that cigar 3.5 turns, and she's going to take that civetta and cut that half moon around, and we call it mounting the head or flagging the head. And what she's doing, she's turning around and around. The important thing is that she has that line perfectly around on that cigar. And what she's doing is she's sealing the head, making it round so it's nice and even, so when you put it in your mouth, it's also smooth. She'll then hit it with that civetta to keep the head rounded. And what she's going to do is take a piece of the same exact wrapper leaf, put a little cap cutter on it, and what she's going to do is she's going to seal that right on top. And voila, this is a cigar. It's beautiful. This now will go through 17 steps after draw testing that was just done and checked and hand-checked all these cigars here. And this is the Perdomo Reserve 10th Anniversary Epicure. And I got to tell you, what a beautiful cigar. It's quality control at its finest when it's done. And that's what we do here at Perdomo Cigars. So I hope you enjoyed this video on rolling cigars, and I'll see you soon.